one-stop destination for all technology and business updates. I'm Nupur, and today we are going to discuss the process of developing a health reminder app. Health reminder apps are a huge success today. According to a study by Statista, around 7% of the entire population of the United States uses these apps. According to another Statista study, around 45.7% of the US population are likely to have a prescription drug, enhancing the scope of such apps. Now let us take a look at the step-by-step process that goes behind the making of a health reminder app. Number 1, discovery. In this stage, the business needs to come up with all the features they want their app to have upon launch. Each feature should correlate with the expected return on investment. Number 2, design. In this step, with the help of your UI/UX developers, you get the app's prototype and design ready. This will help the developers in having the holistic view of how the app will look. Number 3, development. When the design and the prototype have been greenlit, the development takes charge and starts the process with the agile development method. This makes the process and transition smooth and simpler. Number 4, launch. The launch of your app might be the shortest process. All you need to do is upload the app to the App Store or Play Store and be familiar with the verification processes in the app stores. Number 5, maintenance. When the app is available, you need to make regular bug fixes and ensure its compatibility with the new devices. You can use DevOps to automate the release of newer versions of the app. For more information on how to develop a health reminder app, check out our blog. The link to which is in the description box below. CronJ is the one-stop shop for your health reminder app needs. With the top 1% of developers and designers at your disposal, we can bring your idea to life. If you want a health reminder app that is customized to your demands without any performance bottlenecks, then contact us today for amazing rates. That was all for this video, guys. See you in the next one.